Okay, outdoor storage shed, lifetime. All right, we're gonna unpack and put together. Okay, lean that over there. These appear to be all the walls. That's a door. That's the reinforcements. This is the other side wall, end wall. Okay, and this is the base. Okay, we're gonna put that base. Well, that may be the roof. Put them right there. All the hardware. Okay, I think that's the roof. Okay, well, let's find out which one it is and we'll get started. Before you put the side panel on, put this square. There's a hole at the top on one end. That's the top. Have it facing to the inside. Okay, then you install. Put your floor panel down first. Then get your side panel. All right, make sure they're in the grooves. Then push it there. Get this slot in, and this one. Then tilt it towards you. Okay. Now we're just going to move it all the way down. All right, turn. These tabs will go into the slots down there. Interlock it. Okay. The hardware bag, a couple handles, hinges. Some bracing. Not sure. Some more hinges. There we are, the screws we're looking for. And the rest of these. All right. Short ones, ADZs. the other back panel. Remember, you have these tabs. They have to go in the go. They pop in. ADZ screws, the small ones. You got the rod with the one hole at top. Put it in facing up. Okay. Tabs in. There we go. All right. Then lean it. Pull your tabs in. They're in. Okay. Make sure all your tabs are in. You gotta take it back out, whatever you gotta do. Make sure all the tabs are in before you screw it off. That's good enough. All right, you have to pull this out and have the bottom exposed. I realized when I did that, I forgot to put these little plastic pegs in. You can bend this out, pick it out, put that in. What that is to keep that metal from rusting. Put that back in. Same on this side. Okay. And then, right now, all you're doing is screwing through the tabs so they can't come out. Do it to all the tabs, just like this. All the way around. Good. All right, now take the roof panel. See, the root panel has the front is this, not that, that's the rear. Take the longer screws, ADX. This has the notch, goes on the bottom. This goes down. Line up these screws with here. It's getting hot in the sun. All the way down. This angle is going to go right in here with the short screws. All right, this is the top. This brace here goes towards the front. Man, everything's hot being out here in the sun. Okay. All right, pull your back wall into you if you have to. I can't get around there, so because we're trying to get right underneath. Here, make sure you have this in the groove so it goes all the way down. Okay, then you get these lined up. I tacked them off, one there, a couple in the middle, and now we just screw it off. All right, that's good. All right, now you have these shorter ones. Those go along the back wall. And then these type that don't have a point go on the side walls. This one and the other one. Right. This is the left door. This metal goes on like this, screwed into there. This latch. Okay, this can go on the front. This is the left door. The left door. Okay, these are the screws for the handle. The long ones go in the top, short one in the bottom. Make sure when you're doing the hinges, you go right to the dimple, and it brings it right through the hole in the middle. It tightens it right up. Not gonna have any worries with the hinge. They give you a drill bit, you gotta drill that all the way through. All the way through it, did it come out the back side? There you go. Now the other one. All right, now that takes the longer bolts. Let me see the longer one. Hand it, show it to me. Okay, good. Good. Okay, now when you're putting these in, you use these smaller screws or self-tappers. and they'll go right in through here into that rod that you put in that panel in the beginning before we put it on the floor. Sure, when you put this bracket on, you put the tail piece going in that way. This way you can get these on. Otherwise, you can't get them on. Okay? And these are no picnic either to put in. Get the top in, slide the bottom, snap it in, and then it goes on. It's a bit of a pain, but it's not too bad. Okay, put that end in. Okay, there's 2 holes in the middle. Have them facing up and slide that through the door. Okay, now lift up the door, make sure it get those nuts, bolts and nuts you had, and have them slide through those holes. Does that have to go up or down? All right. All right, that's how you do the shed. Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Give me a thumbs up. See you on the next one.